H30 zipper door installation steps. Remove all the wires after the control box commissioning is completed. Fix the built-in infrared wires along the track. Pass the motor cable and infrared ray through the hole of the track. And then through the plastic pipe to the control box inside the line. Play a role in protecting the line and aesthetics. Install the track cover after the wires are routed. Align the motor cover with the box, fixed with screws. Fixed after the motor cable and infrared eye cable back into the control box. Wiring steps can check the manual. The door can operate normally.